Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz SLK-250. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power convertible hardtop with a built-in sunroof, power folding heated mirrors with signals, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 17-inch silver accent wheels, high-performance tires, rain-detecting heated wipers, fully automatic headlamps with delay off, fog lights, and a strong four-cylinder with only 28,315 miles, a shark fin antenna, large LED brake lights, the quasi-dual exhaust, sleek badging, a very spacious cargo area, the front row power heated and cooled MB Tech seating with memory, auto climate control, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, selective service internet, a power leather steering wheel with convenience controls and auto tilt-away, and the easy-to-use entertainment and navigation system with a CD player, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.